Hello friends, welcome to the online education. This is my second lecture of paper number 502 Organic Chemistry and Spectroscopy. We have started a chapter Synthetic Drugs, Dyes and Pigments. Now our second drug is etinolol. Now uh, etinolol is a second drug and synthesis and uses of etinolol. Now we have prepared a etinolol. So we have started with our first reactant 4-hydroxyphenyl glycine. This is the structure of 4-hydroxyphenyl glycine. Now phenyl glycine is reacted with the sodium cyanide and sodium hydroxide. This is the sodium cyanide. Sodium cyanide and this is the sodium hydroxide. This is the sodium hydroxide and this is the sodium cyanide. It reacted with the 4-hydroxyphenyl glycine in the temperature at 130 degrees Celsius temperature and remove the sodium amide and carbon dioxide gas. So that is produced to the 4-hydroxybenzyl cyanide. 4-hydroxyphenyl glycine is reacted with the sodium cyanide and sodium hydroxide with a 130 degrees Celsius temperature and remove the carbon dioxide gas and sodium amide and to produce our first intermediate product 4-hydroxybenzyl cyanide. This is the 4-hydroxybenzyl cyanide because this sodium cyanide is combined with this bond, this carbon and attached to the cyanide group and form the 4-hydroxybenzyl cyanide. Now 4-hydroxybenzyl cyanide is reacted with acid hydrolysis process and produced to the 4-hydroxyphenyl acetamide. This is the 4-hydroxyphenyl acetamide. This is the carbonyl group and this is the amide. So this is called the amide and other part is a 4-hydroxyphenyl. So this structure, this intermediate is called 4-hydroxyphenyl acetamide. Now this is our second intermediate is now reacted with the epichlorohydrin. This is the structure of epichlorohydrin. Epichlorohydrin and other reagent is that piperidine. This is the piperidine. This is the structure of piperidine and reacted with a 4-hydroxyphenyl acetamide and to produce our third intermediate product. Now we have seen that this structure of our third intermediate product that CONH2 group, amide group is CONH2 and our epichlorohydrin is combined with our hydroxyl group, hydrogen was removed and connected to the epichlorohydrin that the hydrogen was removed Cl. So remove the HCl and to produce our third intermediate product. Now our third intermediate product is reacted with the isopropylamine. This is the isopropylamine. Isopropylamine and our third intermediate product reacted and to produce our final product. Our final product is etinolol. So let you see the structure of etinolol. This structure and this structure. CONH2 is the amide and our epichlorohydrin that the structure that was removed and hydroxyl amide and 2 methyl groups. This is the isopropylamine. So that isopropylamine is combined with this and to form a etinolol. So friends, this is our final drugs etinolol. Etinolol is a antihypertensive drug. So this is our second drug. Hello friends, this is our third drug, adrenaline. Adrenaline have two or other name, epinephrine and catecholamine. Adrenaline and this is the synthesis and uses of the adrenaline. Adrenaline is the drug, our third drug. And now synthesis and uses of the adrenaline. Now we have required some reaction just like that, catechol and chloroacetyl chloride. Catechol and chloroacetyl chloride is reacted with a other reactant, other method 1 and method 2. Catechol and chloroacetyl chloride first reacted with the POCl3, ZnCl2 and remove the HCl and to produce a 3,4-dihydroxyphenyl acetyl chloride. And other method is, this is the Fries rearrangement. This is the Fries rearrangement. Catechol and chloroacetyl chloride is reacted with the Fries rearrangement and to produce a 3,4-dihydroxyphenyl acetyl chloride. This is the structure of phenyl acetyl chloride. Now we see the structure. This is the catechol, 2 hydroxyl group, and then this carbon is combined with the our carbonyl group and C2Cl. This is the acetyl chloride, and other part is the 3,4-dihydroxyphenyl. So this is called 3,4-dihydroxyphenyl acetyl chloride. Now our intermediate product 3,4-dihydroxyphenyl acetyl chloride is reacted with the methyl amine. This is the methyl amine. Methyl amine is reacted with a 3,4-dihydroxyphenyl acetyl chloride and remove the 1 mole of HCl and to produce a adrenaline. Adrenaline. This is adrenaline, not adrenaline. This is our intermediate product, adrenaline. This is the adrenaline. CO, CH2NH, This is the CH3NH2. Methylamine is combined with this carbon and form the adrenaline. This is the structure of adrenaline. 2 mole of hydroxy and carbonyl group 1 and CH2NH. This is the structure of adrenaline. Now adrenaline is reduction with the hydrogen. This is the hydrogen. And this is the metal, aluminium, mercury or palladium with hydrogen. The reduction with hydrogen, aluminium or mercury, other palladium or hydrogen. Adrenaline reduction and reducted with this metal or hydrogen and to produce a racemic mixture of adrenaline. What is the racemic mixture? Racemic mixture is a dextro and levo part are combined in each other to in a one mixture is called adrenaline. Adrenaline is a mixture, racemic mixture. So both part, dextro part and also levo part. Now we have a separate adrenaline. We have required a product separate adrenaline. How to separate? Then resolution process. Resolution process with a D-tartaric acid means dextrotartaric acid with a resolution of adrenaline resolution with a D-tartaric acid and to produce a levoadrenaline. This is the separate product of the adrenaline. This is the racemic mixture and this is the levo. Only separate product adrenaline. This is our final product adrenaline. So guys, this is the procedure of a synthesis of a adrenaline. Now uses of the adrenaline. Adrenaline have two other names, epinephrine and catecholamine. Now uses of the adrenaline, epinephrine and catecholamine. Now we will see the uses of the adrenaline. It is an hormone to produce a neurons of CNS and neurotransmitter. This drug produces neurons of a CNS. What means of the CNS? CNS means central nervous system. Our human body contains a central nervous system. We regulate all body parts and these drugs are producer neurons of a CNS and neurotransmitter. Now second uses of the adrenaline. It regulates the heart rate. Our heart rate regulated with this drug. Now and also metabolic shift. This drug regulates the heart rate and metabolic shift. Now, our third uses of the adrenaline, it regulates the blood circulation. It regulates the blood circulation. Sometimes have our body blood circulation not properly, then we will use the drug adrenaline, and adrenaline regulates our human body system in a blood circulation. Blood circulation regulates with the adrenaline drug. Now, fourth uses of the adrenaline. It is used in allergic emergencies like anaphylactic angioneurotic edema. This is the disorder of our human body in a CNS, and urticaria and serum sicknesses. This is the sicknesses of our body, and this is drugs we will use the adrenaline in this disorder. Finally, fifth use is it increases the blood pressure. This drug also increases the blood pressure. High BP and low BP patient also uses the adrenaline drug. And final uses of the adrenaline used in the production of a glycogen in a liver. We will use the for the production of a glycogen in a liver.